Good morning to one and all. My name is Karish. I am studying 10th class English medium. But I wanted to introduce my project. My project is eco-friendly shoe. The main objective of this project is to keep our surroundings clean. We can clean our surroundings clean without any particular efforts. As we are walking on the floor, the vacuum cleaner in the shoe observe the dust particles and other small waste materials which is laid on the floor, and this eco-friendly shoe works with a battery which is also rechargeable while we are walking. This device is very useful to keep our surroundings clean, and by using this device we keep our surroundings clean and be healthy. If all persons in a particular area, in your office, schools, or any place, we can automatically the dust particles observe and store in the shoe heel. The dust particles like small paper, dust, and other small any items. I wanted to tell briefly about this project. This is my project. This is a eco-friendly shoe. In this shoe, when we are walking, the physios generate some energy. That energy will stored in this battery. It is rechargeable battery. And when we are walking, this tube absorbs the small dust particles, wrappers, papers, etc. and absorb particles stored in the this heel. This heel easily remove and easily close it. I wanted to tell about this project. This project is AIM, eco-friendly shoe which can rechargeable the battery and can store energy. Materials used: PCOs, tube, switch, single lead wire, capacitor, diode, breadboard, BCB board, GAN glue, fuse, rechargeable battery, multimeter, and mainly shoe. PCOs are the taking main key role for this project. Making process: take the shoe and cut the sole to arrange a vacuum cleaner and make a hole in front of the vacuum cleaner and put the vacuum cleaner tube in the hole, and take the another shoe and cut the sole in a slope shape. Four pieces are to be soldered with a wire. Circuit to be arranged AC current to DC current using this type of circuit. Four pieces are connected to the circuit as shown in the circuit diagram. The electricity which is generated from four pieces helps to work the vacuum cleaner which is already inserted in the sole of the shoe. Both the soles are attached with gun glue. Formula: converting AC current to DC current. Working process: when we are walking due to the pressure of the foot, due to the pressure of physios, the energy generated can convert AC current to DC current in the circuit and can be stored in the battery. The stored energy in the battery can be used to wipe vacuum cleaner, which can absorb the dust and small particles as well as small papers to clean the surroundings. Report: aim of the making: the useful shoe which is completely polluted free. It can remove the small dust particles and sand particles of the road, and battery can automatically rechargeable. In future, we use this type of shoes to keep our surroundings clean. We make our India clean and be healthy. Now, I wanted to show practically when we are wearing this shoe. When we are walking like that, we can easily observe the small dust particles. Circuit diagram. This is switch, resistor, capacitor. We use four diodes and physios. This is eco-friendly shoe. We use this part in the vacuum cleaner. This is a vacuum cleaner observer. This is physios. This is PCB go circuit, full circuit. This is the side view for project. In this part, heat we put on the physios and it is connected to PCB board. In this part, we put the switch and the circuit will to change AC current to DC current. Thank you for giving this beautiful opportunity to me.